Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install dbt Core for analytics workflows on Snowflake. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a Snowflake account, as this is necessary for connecting dbt Core to your data warehouse. Next, install Python 3.7 or higher on your machine, as dbt Core requires it for functionality. Open your terminal and check if Python is correctly installed by typing Python version. If Python is not installed, download and install it from the official Python website. Once Python is installed, you need to install pip, the package manager for Python. Verify pip installation by typing pip version in your terminal. If pip is not installed, follow the instructions on the pip documentation page to install it. Now, it's time to install dbt Core. In your terminal, type pip install dbt Core. You can also specify the version of dbt to install by adding =version_number to the command. After installation, confirm that dbt Core is working by typing dbt version in your terminal. Next, create a new directory for your dbt project by using the command dir my_dbt_project. Navigate to this new directory by typing cd my_dbt_project. Initialize your dbt project by executing dbt init. This command will generate a set of files and directories necessary for your project. Now, you need to configure your dbt profile to connect to Snowflake. Locate the profiles.yml file, usually located in the .dbt directory in your home folder. Edit this file with a text editor, adding your Snowflake connection details. Input your Snowflake account name, user, password, role, database, warehouse, and schema in the configuration. After updating the profile, save the changes to the profiles.yml file. Return to the terminal and run dbt debug to test your connection to Snowflake. This command will verify the credentials and check if dbt can successfully connect to your data warehouse. If everything is set up correctly, you should see confirmation messages indicating a successful connection. Now, you can start building your dbt models. Create a new directory called models within your project directory. Inside this models directory, create SQL files for your analytics workflows. Each SQL file represents a transformation you want to apply to your data. To run your dbt models, return to the terminal and execute dbt run. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.